Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can convert a PowerPoint file to PDF. Converting PowerPoint presentation to PDF can come in handy when you want to send your presentation to someone who does not have PowerPoint installed. Method 1. Using PowerPoint. Click File tab. Click Export. Click Create PDF XPS. Choose a location to save the PDF file. Give a name to the PDF file in the file name text box. Click Publish. Method 2. Using Google Slides. Go to slides.google.com and log in. Click on the plus icon. Click File menu and click Open. Click Upload tab. Click on Select a file from your device and select the presentation which you want to convert to PDF. Click File menu. Click Download and click PDF document. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.